Once you finish tracing out things with the pen tool, the other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add um, color to your board. Now this is a little bit different than in a raster-based program where you can just use the fill tool and fill in all the spaces. We can do that with the raster section of this, but it might not work as well or as just the detail you would like. So what you're going to have to do instead is you're going to have to use the pen tool again, and you're going to have to trace out the shape you want the color to go in. So in this case, though, I don't want to actually see the outside of the shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the outside ring, and it'll probably be a color like this, and you just need to click down in the transparency bubble down there to make sure that the line of your shape has no color. So now what I can do is I can then zoom in, and I like to hold down the Option key and just use the mouse, but you can also just zoom in by pinching your fingers on your trackpad. And I'm going to make sure that I'm anchored at the top here. And now I don't have to worry too much about tracing it as long as my line is inside the black line that I've made for my board, because I'm going to put the color behind this line anyway. So we're just going to go all the way to the edge there, and then we're going to go all the way back up here to the top. And now you'll see that the fill right now is a transparent color. So now I want to go and fill it in with my colors. So I'm going to go over here to my swatches, and I would pick a color from one of the palettes that I have added, and we'll do a tutorial on that next. So we can always, let's pick green for now, right? Now you can see this looks really ugly because I can see how it sits on top of the line. So what I need to do is I need to go here, and I need to get this curve here, and I'm just going to drag it all the way down to the bottom so it's behind. Oops, I put it too far. So it's behind my line. So now if I click over here, you can see there's a nice fill behind that. So that's how you can add color using the Vector Shapes tool to your shapes in your board game.